Hello student. Now in your second part, you had already learned how the vertices of an triangle is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Now after that you learn how the quadrilateral is a square, how the quadrilateral is parallelogram. Okay. Now lesson 7, we will start continue question number 7. This one question number 7. 7.1 is a continue. Now we have the points. Okay, the points, find the point P, x, comma 0. Okay, points B, P, x, comma 0 and given points B. Given points which are given A and B. But here P is given x, comma 0. It is on the x axis. Okay. This one is your quadrant. Okay, quadrant here. X axis, so what we are writing? We are writing x coordinate and y coordinate 0. It is understood? Coordinate, okay, x, p equal to x comma 0. So we can say that PA equal PB. According to the question, we can write PA equal PB. Okay, so PA equal PB. Okay, PA. So P x comma 0 and A is 2 comma minus 5. Clear? So here it is a given. First of all, x comma 0. First x2. x2 is 2. 2 minus x whole raised to square and minus 5 minus and 0 whole raised to square according to your formula, distance formula. Here 2 minus x square. Now here a minus b whole raised to square. So how we are writing? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So similarly we are having minus x square. So minus x into minus x plus x. Minus 2 into x into 2. So minus 4x. And the square of 2 is 4. So x square minus 4x plus 4 here we can write. And here directly minus 5. So minus 5 into minus 5 plus. Okay. So here 25. So here PB, P is given x comma 0 and the B is given minus 2 and coordinate 9. Okay, x2 minus 2 into x square by 2, 9 minus 0 whole raised to square. So here minus 2 minus x minus sign is outside, so we can write x plus 2. So directly we can write 4 plus 4x plus x square. Clear? So now 4 plus x square plus 4x. Here 9 plus 81. Okay. X square. This x square when we will shift from right to left will change the sign. Equation chapter. Minus 4x plus 4x. We will write minus 4x plus 81. This 25 when we will shift we will write minus 25. So now x square plus and minus x square. So we can cancel. Minus 4x and minus 4x. Minus 8x equal 81. 11 minus 5, 6. 7 minus 2, 5. So now x equal to minus 56 upon 8. So x equal to minus 7. X equal to minus 7. So here P at 0. So the hence required point is minus 7 and 0. Clear children? Now children, now we can proceed further. Now we can start the question number 8, which is a very important. Now find the value of y, okay, for which the distance between the points. Okay, this one is a p and this one is a q and here the y number is not there. The y variable is given. We have to find out. And the distance is given 10 units. Clear children? Question is clear. Again, find the value of y. Y. For which the distance between the points. Okay, distance between the points is already given 10 units. The distance between the p and qy is given and is given to be 10. First we will write the solution. We will start from here. Clear? Now PQ equal 10. So we can say PQ square equal to 10 square. Now P 2 minus 3 whole raised to square plus Q y comma 10 comma y whole raised to square equal 100. Okay. Now x2 10 minus 2. Y minus minus 3. So now this minus sign will affect the right hand side polynomial. So y minus into minus plus. So 8 square plus y plus 3 whole raised to square. 64 y square. 3 2s are 6. 6y. 2 into y into 3. 6y plus 3 whole raised to square 9 equal 100. Okay. Now x square plus 6y equal 100. Now we are changing x on the one side and the number on the right hand side. Okay. So 100 minus plus 64. So we will write minus 64 plus 9. So we will write minus 9. So y square plus 6y equal 27. Okay. Now when we will change again from right to left, we have to change. Y square plus 6y minus 27 equal 0. What is this? First term, middle term, last term. Okay. We have to find out the factors. Clear, children? Now plus minus. So plus minus only we will get the factors. Clear? Now 9 3s are 27 plus 9y minus 3y. So addition answer 6y. 9 3s are 27 plus 9 into minus 3y minus 27. Clear, children? So now y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 equals 0. Now y square plus 9y, which is the common number? Y. So we can write y plus 9. Now here 3 is a common number. Okay, is a divisible. So minus 3 y plus 9. Clear, children? So here we can write y plus 9 equal 0. Clear? So y plus 9 and y minus 3 equal 0. Okay. So here equal to 0. So y plus 9 equals to 9. Again y equal, we are changing plus 9. So we will change the side. So we can write y equal minus 9. And here also y equals to 3. Thus the required values of y are minus 9 and 3. Clear, children? This question is very, very important question. Now children, we can start the question number 9. Now here Q given 0, 1 is the equal distance. Q is the equal distance from P and R. Find the value of X. Also find the distance QR and PR. Clear? QR and PR. Clear? Now given the points, let the given points Q, P, R, you can write the statement. Okay, I am not writing here, children. Now we will start again the question. Q is the equal distance from P and R. Clear, children? This statement is clear with this figure. Now we can say PQ square equal RQ square, equal distance. Okay, PQ square. So first P. P is 5 minus 3. Q, O and 1. Okay. RQ, X, 6. Q, 0 and 1. Now, here, 0 minus 5. 1 minus 3. So, 1 minus into minus plus. So, now 5, 25. 1 plus 3, 4 square. So, 16. Here x square and here 5 square directly. So x square 25 and 25 minus. Okay. 25 minus 25 directly we can cut. 16 equal x square. So we can say x square equal to 16. X equal to the factors are plus 4 and minus 4. You can do x square minus 16 equals 0. You can write x plus 4, x minus 4 equal to 0. You can do whatever you like. You have the own wish. Directly also we can do. Clear? Now, x is 6. Sorry, x is 4. X is 4. Okay, x is 4. So, we will write 4, 6. Clear? Now, our coordinate are 4 and 6. So, instead of x, now find the distance. QR and PR. Instead of x, we will write 4. Clear? So 4 minus 0, 6 minus 1, so 4 square plus 5 square, so 16 plus 25 equal 41. Similarly, PR. Okay. Now, similarly here also first, similarly minus. Okay. QR. QR equal to 0 and 1. And X minus 4 and 6. Okay. So, minus 4 and minus 0. 6 and minus 1. So, here also 4 square plus 5 square. So, 16 plus 25, 41. In case of this one, you will get the same answer. Clear? But PR answer you will get different. P, 5 and 3. R, 4 and 6. One time 4 and 6. One time minus 4 and 6. Children, this one is for minus and this one is for plus. Plus plus, minus minus. Now, 4 minus 5, 6 minus and minus 3. So, 6 minus into minus plus. So, 9. And here 1. Okay. So, now 1 and here 9 square 81. So, 82. Clear? Now, PR. 5 minus 3. Minus 4 and 6. So, minus 4 and minus 5. And then 6 minus 3. So, here minus 9 square. 6 plus 3, 9 square. So, 81 plus 81. So, 162. So, 81 into 2 we can write. So, now here also 9 root 2. You can write 162. Even you can write 9 root 2. That is your wish. Clear, children? The question is clear. The Q is equal distance from the point P and R. Okay, our x value is given. Find out the x and with the help of x, find the distance between the QR and PR. Clear, children? Hello, student. Now we will start the last question of your 7.1. Okay. Now there are the 10 questions and 7, 8, 9, 10. All 4 questions are very important. Okay. Now find a relation between x and y. What is given x and y? Is the equal distance from the point 3 and 6 and minus 3 and 4. So let the required point P equal x and y. And the given points are A, that is 3 and 6, and B is minus 3 and 4. Clear, children? Now PA equal PB. PA square equal PB square. Now we are doing the direct sum. Please, children, now listen. 3 minus x. So I can write x minus 3. Now 6 minus 5. So I can write y minus 6. Because very easily we can calculate. Clear, children? X square minus 2 3s are 6 into x. 6x plus 3 square 9. Y square. 2 6 are 12. 12 into y. 12y. Plus 36. Clear, children? Similarly, PB square. So, P is x and y and minus 3 and 4. Okay, so minus x, minus 3 and minus x. So, remove the minus. So, you can write x plus 3 and y 4 minus y. So, I am writing y minus 4. Directly we can do because easily now we can do. So, now x square plus 2 3s are 6x plus 9. Y square minus 4 2s are 8y and plus 16. Now remove the square root, both the sides, squaring the square, this one. So now x square minus 6x plus 9, y square minus 12y plus 36. Here, similarly we have to write x square we can cut. Minus 6x and minus 6s, 12x. Okay, here it is given 9 and here it is again y square and here minus y square. So you can cut. So directly you will get the minus 12x minus 4y and plus 20 equals 0. Okay, divide with minus 4. So you will get 3x plus y minus 5 equal 0. So now you can say thus 3x plus 5 minus 5 is a required relation between x and y. So this one is your last question of your exercise 7.1. So part 4, session 4, we will start with another formula. So complete your notebooks. These are the very important questions 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? And complete your notebooks. Marks are allotted
And children, each sum solve 3 times, so you will get the good practice. Thank you.